Network visibility. To monitor and secure the network, you need to see all traffic, make security changes without impacting uptime, and have data compatible with security and monitoring tools. However, span ports can drop packets when under strain and affect monitoring accuracy. Essential maintenance downtime causes service interruptions. And how can you ensure security and monitoring tools can effectively process your data? Network visibility responds by copying all traffic with zero risk. It lets you perform essential maintenance without interruption, and it can aggregate traffic and make high-speed links compatible with lower-speed tools. Visibility also conditions traffic so your security and monitoring tools can understand it. The result is true, high-availability security and the key data needed for real-time network monitoring. For more information and to request a demo, visit www.phoenixdatacom.com.